Namaskar students, hope you people are fine. Now today we are going to start with lesson 3 of social science, and the name of the lesson is the Great Northern Plains. But are you people doing your assignments? If you are doing your assignments, then please send the pic of your assignments to your class teacher. The Great Northern Plains, page number 19. The river originating from Himalayas flow through the northern plains. So, students, there are many terms in this chapter which we need to learn the meaning. So, first we are going to learn the meaning of some keywords. That like what are plains? Yes, plains are flat land with vegetations. And now what are rivers? Rivers are water bodies which flow from high region to the lower region, like from mountains to the ocean. As you are knowing, mountains are high region and oceans are lower region. Now what are tributaries? As you can see in this picture, there is a river, and these small streams are joining this river. These small streams that flow into a large river are known as tributaries. Now, when you are clear, let's discuss the location of northern plains. The northern plains lie between the Himalaya in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The northern plains occupy a great part of North India. They extend from, as you can see, this green area. All this green area show northern plains. And the rivers which make this plain fertile are shown with blue lines. Northern plains extend from Punjab in west to Assam in the east. These plains are 2,400 km long and 150 to 300 km wide. They cover states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and some part of Assam. Northern plains are the most fertile plain on the earth. So what make them fertile? What make northern plains fertile? Alluvium. The silt and the sand which river carry with them that get deposited in the plains. These deposits make the area fertile and ideal for growing crops. And as you have seen, the northern plain is fed by many rivers like Ganga, SATLUJ and Brahmaputra. Now, what are basins? The area watered by the river and its tributaries is a basin. Now, in this chapter, we are going to read about 3 river basins which together make northern plains. The 3 river basins are the SATLUJ Basin, the Ganga River Basin, the Brahmaputra River Basin. The SATLUJ River Basin. Now, as you can see, these dark blue lines on the map. These dark blue lines are showing River Ravi, River Beas and River SATLUJ, which are coming from Himalayas, and SATLUJ is the main river and Ravi and Beas are its tributaries, and SATLUJ later on join Indus River. Together, these river and their tributaries make this area the SATLUJ River Basin, the fertile area near Punjab and Haryana, and some part of Himachal Pradesh. Since the amount of rainfall is less here, Numerous irrigation canals are dug out from the rivers. The Bhakra Nangal Dam, built across the river SATLUJ, is famous for hydroelectricity production and irrigation. The major crops grown around the basin are wheat, pulses, barley, maize, rice, and sugarcane. Some of the important cities of the region are Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana, Ambala, and Amritsar. Now we are going to read about the Ganga Basin. But before reading, let's discuss two more new terms, that is distributary and delta. Now, as you can see, this is the main river. But when a river is about to meet an ocean or a large water body like sea or ocean, then it's split into small channels of water. These small channels are known as distributaries. And the area, the dotted area, you can see the triangle. This triangular shaped land formed by the deposition of the silt at the mouth of the river before entering sea or ocean is known as delta. And you can see this delta in this dotted line. Now let's start with the Ganga Basin. Now you can see Yamuna, Ganga, all the rivers in the blue. The river Ganga in the north originates from Gangotri Glacier at the Gomukh in the Himalayas, flows swiftly down the mountains and enter the plain at Haridwar. It flows through Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. As it flows down the plains, it is joined by its tributaries. The Yamuna is the longest tributary of Ganga and joins it at Allahabad. The meeting point of river Ganga and Yamuna is known as Sangam. The major crops that are grown in the Ganga basin are wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane. The Ganga basin is called food bowl of India because its fertile soil is ideal for growing any kind of food. The Ganga basin is the most populated part of India and is a home for more than 500 million people, making it the most populated river basin in the world. Yani, the population in the Ganga basin is highest. Most of the people are concentrated along the banks of Ganga. Now let's read about Brahmaputra Basin. Brahmaputra starts from Tibet and there the name of the river is Teespang. Then it flows towards the east. Then from Arunachal Pradesh it enters the India. Then it flows from Assam and West Bengal and joined by its tributaries Tista and it join Ganga and form a delta which is the biggest delta in the world, Sundarban. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga river form the largest delta in the world. It is Sundarban Delta or Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. It is one of the fertile region in the country, thus earning the nickname the Green Delta. The major crops grown here are rice, jute, maize, pulse, oilseed, wheat, etc. So that's all for today. We are going to read about the states which lie in different basins in the next class. Till then, keep yourself safe and stay inside.